Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have an Alina craft design team project for you guys. And just to remind you guys, the Global Festival sale is coming soon on Wednesday, this Wednesday, the 11th. And I believe it's for 2 days, the 11th and the 12th. So put the stuff you want in your cart and shop on that day. All right, so I have a pretty big project. I would say this is probably my biggest project for Alina Craft. And I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And this is a labor of love, seriously. And I created this for my daughter for her birthday. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I made. This is the die set that I used. It is massive, y'all. You guys have seen it. And I'm gonna go through it. I did a process video, so you will see it. And I used almost all the pieces except for, I believe, except for these, because I did not do this layering piece. However, I did use everything. So let me go ahead and share what I made. Ta-da! How adorable is this? I have a little bit of a theme for my daughter's birthday, and so that's why I chose these colors. And this bow here is not made with Alina Craft dies. It is made with a steel rule die from Sizzix. Anyway, I did make the lid a little bit tighter, so you're going to see in my process that I used, I believe it's, because you can use this for your lid, you can also use this for the bottom. It just depends on how much of a border that you want. It's up to you, honestly, but I made my lid nice and snug because I didn't want the lid coming off, because you guys know, once I open it, I'm just going to show you, this is how it looks. This is a Prima paper that I used here, and I can't remember what it's called, but all I know is it is rose gold, so that's why I used it. Okay, so then I did use other papers just to let you know. So you open it up and there you go. You have these areas here where you can put a message or a gift card. I'm going to be putting messages on here. Well, my family will be. And this is how I created it. And then you open it up. There's the next. That's the next one. And this is using one of her holographic, Alina Craft holographic cardstock, and it is rose gold, and it matched perfectly for this project. So, and then there you go. This is the box. So there is my gift. So I hope you guys liked it, and please stay tuned and watch the process video. And thanks so much for watching. Okay, I'll leave all the links in the description box to the products that I used. Bye.